Let's do it this way. Let's get in Sonia. She'll tell us more about the numbers and we'll come back to you. Sonia?
Okay, so these numbers are largely in line with what the street is estimating. So let me just put the numbers first. As you started off, the most important bit really is the margins, right? 10.6% compares to a poll of 10.4%, so slightly higher than what the poll was estimating. And if I'm not wrong, this is the fourth or fifth consecutive quarter of an improvement that we've seen in their margins and 10% plus levels that they've held on to for margins. And that was a big deal for TVS Motor. The margins were hovering in the range of 8 and 9% for many quarters. And in the last 2 to 3 quarters, this 10% level has been held. And hence, that's something that works well for the company. The net profits have come in at 467 crores versus a poll of 450 crores. So that is also slightly higher than street estimates. The revenue front, a slight miss, but nothing really alarming. The moot point is that TVS Motor, the stock has also run up quite a bit. So perhaps a lot of the good news is in the price, but the earnings definitely are improving for the two-wheeler space. Exports continue to be under pressure for a couple of these two-wheeler makers like TVS and Bajaj Auto. But the sense that we've got is the worst of the export pressure is behind them, which means that on the top line front, domestic demand has come back in a big way. And on the operational front, there are many benefits: lower raw material costs, better operating leverage, a higher product mix as well, and the price hikes that the company have passed on. So Deepak, of course, the stock is under pressure right now, down about 2.5%, but it's had a very strong run. Tomorrow we have Bajaj Auto's numbers as